Hello guys, and welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. In today's recipe we have nsala soup using catfish. Here are the list of ingredients: Cameroun pepper or any pepper of your choice, salt and seasoning cubes, Uziza seed and Ehuru seed, ground crayfish, ogiri, Uziza leaf. If you have access to the fresh one, you can make use of it. Pounded yam flour. If you are using yam, cut into small pieces. And the master of this ceremony is catfish. If you want to see a detailed video on how to wash and remove the slines from catfish, you can check that out on this channel. Put the fish in a pot. After cleaning, add the pepper, the ground ehuru and the Uziza, obeyi, seasoning cube, pour enough water to cover the contents of the pot. If you are making use of yam, now is the time to add in the peeled yams. Cover and let it cook. Now for the pounded yam flour, which we are using as the thickener, put water in a pot. When it comes to a boil, add the pounded yam flour and stir continuously until it forms a solid mass. Set that aside. As you can see, my pot is overflowing with deliciousness. Make sure that all the fish are completely immersed in the soup so that it takes up all the taste and flavor from the soup. It is better to use a silicone or rubber spoon or spatula while doing this to avoid disintegrating the fish. There was a time when I was still a novice. After making this soup, all my fish will disintegrate and I'll find only the bones. So next, add in the ground crayfish, the salt, and the Uziza leaf. I added the Uziza leaf now because I was using the dried one. If you are using the fresh one, it is best to add it towards the end of the cooking so that it doesn't change color. This soup is one of the easiest and the fastest soup I know. When the fish is cooked properly, which usually takes about 20 minutes, add in the yam, allow it to dissolve. The more the yam dissolves, the more thick the soup will be. So I turned off the heat now because this is the consistency I like the soup to be. But if you want yours to be more thicker than this, you just need to continue cooking on a very low heat and allow the yams to dissolve. Once it dissolves, the soup will become thicker. You can serve this soup with any swallow of your choice. My favorite for this soup is pounded yam, niji. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.